Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video we are going to see how to actually clean the bin of the iRobot Roomba. So in the process we'll actually be looking at the filter also. When you want to replace the filter, how to change that. So basically the entire filter, entire cleaning box or bin is at the back. So you have to push this lever down and then just pull this out. So that's it. That's how easy this is. Now when you're cleaning it, make sure you clean it over here also, because this is where it takes all the dirt and then pushes it through this vent and it goes in here. So most of the time there's a lot of dirt over here, you have to clean that too. Now to clean this, all you have to do is, you see this arrow, push it outward and that's it. Now all the dirt is over here. The filter actually filters out all the dirt and the clean air goes back into the air from the back over here. So let's see the filter. So that's the filter compartment. All you have to do is pull this yellow tab and remove the filter. So it's that dirty, so you have to clean this. Use a brush to clean this so it goes off easily. Do not wash this because these filters are mainly made of paper, so it will actually spoil the filter. You get an extra filter with this. So when you buy the Roomba, you get one extra filter and one extra brush. So in case you need more, you can actually contact them. You can get it from their store, so it's easily available. So that's how you clean the bin. That's actually a pretty short video. So that's it. That's how you clean the bin. Now while we are at it, let's see the roller also, because this is a very short video. So to clean the roller, you have to press this yellow tab together and then open it up. Now this yellow part over here, that's where you have to pull it out from. So if there is a lot of hair and stuff stuck on this, then you can clean it and then put it back. Now both of them can be removed. There is a marking, gray and white. So put the white one in the white one, align it like this, keep it, the gray one in the gray one, align it and then keep it there. Now this is not gone in properly because it's not aligned. Okay, it's done. And then close it. That's it. So that's how the roller works. So how this actually works is, the vacuum is over here, it picks up everything which is going under it and then throws it into the bin, and then the bin takes all the dust, the dirt, keeps it in and throws the clean air out from the back. Now this brush actually helps in getting most of the corner dirt, so this is for that. You get one extra in case this goes bad, you can actually change that. So that's it. That's how you actually clean the bin and clean the rollers of the iRobot Roomba. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.